here another focus on a VinFast model, which is the VF6, and what is immediately visible is the care of the lighting signature, which is embedded in a high gloss black frame. So here it's a warranty to hide any technical elements, and only the ray of light is visible inside, even if we see that here there is a large gap between the two parts, but it remains clean to be checked if homogeneity of light is there. Compared to this lighting signature, we have a second zone of light which is not the same way, more basic, made of different arrays, so there is a contrast. But what also catch our eyes is, look at this here. How many materials do we have? Of course, there is high gloss black there and there. You have a chrome already scratches. We have a gray paint, and here we have this low gloss plastic. So it means that here, only on this view, we have 4 materials, which appear messy in terms of design, messy about integration of all these elements together. In addition, we see that here things are not fitting well, so this could be bad point during the discovery of a vehicle. And here there is another material which appear quite easy to scratch or to dirt. So a bit fragile look, and too many shapes, too many material, even at first glance on this VinFast. So some interesting things about here, the dark frame black, high gloss black frame, so that we don't see any welding, gluing area. For the front face of VF6, what we see is same as rear, so that's a good point. Lighting signature is quite impressive, all in this glossy black frame. Only visible is the ray of light, so this is a very interesting practice. A very long lighting signature. Of course, you should not hit any other car or any walls, because that could be seen as a fragile parts, very expensive to replace. But next to this great practice, we are back to reality with 2 or 3 zones of light. So from very good to okay to not okay. So from 21st century back to the 20th century. So this is a zone that is also a bit patchwork of different shapes and techniques, so not great practice from part of you, and still this massive lower shiny bumper.